day reporter for a daily paper. And I did different things. I went into a video parlor that we wanted to do something youth oriented. So I went into a college. I went to a DVD library. And it was just interesting to be interacting with people and to know what they thought about movies in general, about your movies and all kinds of things. So there are various interesting things that one gets to do as part of this. I think I don't want to be judgmental at all, पर मुझे लगता है कि चाहे वो ऐश्वर्या राय हो या फिर सुष्मिता सेन हो, they're very strong identities besides being beautiful looking people. I think that is very important. आजकल हम लोग it's gotten beauty has gotten so synthetic. People are getting their teeth done correctly, they're groomed very correctly. But I think what they're missing out on is being their own people. एक फिल्म है चिनाब गांधी जो मैं कर रही हूँ संजय लीला बंसाली प्रोडक्शंस के लिए. उस फिल्म को डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं विभू पुरी और उस फिल्म में मेरे साथ हैं हरमन बवेजा एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज मिस्टर बच्चन इन द फिल्म. एंड उसके अलावा पा है विच इज़ बीइंग डायरेक्टेड बाय बाल्की. और उस फिल्म में मैं मिस्टर बच्चन के साथ फिर से काम करूँगी एंड देयर इज अभिषेक ऑल्सो. It's very important to promote your film today because there are so many different kinds of mics. There are so many different channels. There are so many films being made. How do you draw attention? And there are lots of big films with big stars. How do you actually convince audiences that you should go and watch the film? So I think it's very important that you interact with audiences at that time. You talk about your film and all that. So there is a certain interest level. Because otherwise people can be sitting in their houses these days and you can even download films on YouTube. Why do you need to go to the theatre and watch a film? So I think promotions are an integral part of an actor's job today. जब से अपना करियर शुरू किया है I've tried to promote my films as much as possible in whatever way. Publicist के साथ marketing team के साथ बैठ के हम लोग decide करते हैं क्या क्या. Like for Halla Bol we did some street plays. So with every film you're trying to come up with something new which is relevant to the film. So इस film में it is a youth oriented film. It's just about real people. So that's what has brought me here today. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा है. मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही खुशनसीब मानती हूँ कि बहुत अच्छे और बहुत बेहतरीन लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है, चाहे वो डायरेक्टर्स रहे हो या फिर प्रोड्यूसर्स, एक्टर्स, सभी के साथ. तो आई थिंक किस्मत का कनेक्शन मेरे साथ काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा है अब तक. आई होप वो बरकरार रहे हमेशा.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.